Hi, this is Sarah at Awaken Acres. It's September 27, Michigan, Zone 6. And today I got toona sinensis seeds in the mail. I got these from True Leaf Market. The seed company is Kitazawa Seed Company. I think they specialize in Asian vegetables. Anyhow, this is a kind of vegetable tree. And I'm going to try to propagate the seeds and grow them inside over the winter because I'm doubtful that a little seedling of this type would survive our harsh Michigan winters. So, from what I've read, I'm supposed to soak them in warm water overnight. I'm just going to do 10 because I don't have room for a whole bunch inside the house in case they actually all sprout. I'm going to soak them at 30 degrees Celsius, which is about 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Of course, it won't stay that temperature, but the point is to try to keep them warm. So I'm going to place these in this little pot of warm water. Okay, maybe I'll just pour them in like this. Okay, so we'll just let these sit for 24 hours. And I want to say a little bit about the tree. So the leaves, the young leaves are supposed to taste kind of garlicky or oniony, maybe even a beefy flavor. So that sounds interesting. I thought I'd be an interesting tree to have. It's known as a tree vegetable. This variety is called North Red, and there's also another variety called Flamingo, which is pink, and I'd really like to have that kind too. But first, I want to see if I can even get these to grow. They're perennial hardwood, tolerant of low temperatures, but may need proper protection from extreme low temperatures. So I may have to protect these a little in our harsh climate. Uniquely aromatic and full of vitamins and nutrients. The fresh leaves and shoots are great for stir fries, salads, seasonings, etc. They're native to China and is used in traditional Chinese medicine and widely planted in China, not in our country though. So we'll see what happens. Here I've put the seed on some moist paper towel, and I'll keep them moist until they hopefully sprout. After soaking the seeds for 6 days, I'm seeing that a couple of them have sprouted. There's one there. I see a little sprout coming in there. Whoops, right there. Whoops. Be careful. And there's another one that's sprouting. So I'm going to plant them in these pre-moistened potting mix. Actually, use seed starting mix. So I'm going to carefully pick them up. Okay, this is a pre-moistened paper towel that I grow them on. Be very careful not to break the root. Okay, there's one. And the other one, which I may have damaged already in my haste. Hopefully not. And I'm going to see, are there any others that are... No, keep an eye on them. They may just need a little longer. Hopefully I'll get more than just 2 to germinate. So this is how I keep the paper towel moist, with a little mist. And I just check the moisture with my fingers. It feels wet, good enough. Okay, and then I cover that. So now I'm going to put some potting mix on top of that. They're supposed to not be planted too deeply, so I'll just cover them a bit. I don't want that coconut coir in there, actually. Okay, and then carefully water. It's better to use a sprinkling can with a spray nozzle, but this is just what I have on hand right now. Water a little bit with this carefully so I don't wash the seeds away. Just keep watering till I see water come out the bottom, like that. And for good measure, I'm going to spray the top with my mister. And I'll make sure it stays moist until I see a little sprout coming up. In the meantime, I'm going to put this on a heat mat. Try to keep it warm and moist. Okay.